Do you know how dirty your mouse pad is? So hey guys, it's Craig with Squappy's Videos, and today we're going to do something a little different. So as you see, I'm not in my office. Where I am, look, it's a bathroom. And look, it's a bathtub. What we're going to be doing is taking these mouse pads here, which I got two of them. One is a really wide one. One is a standard, like, kind of sized mouse pad here. As you see, they're in a bathtub. And what we're going to do is we're going to end up washing these. So I've done my research on how to wash these, and since these were used, I kind of need to. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this bathtub stopped up, add some water to it, spray these down with some soap, scrub them, then we're going to let them dry. Stay tuned on what to do. Alright guys, so here we are. So we're going to use two things here. This is just some basic Dawn Power Wash dish spray and a sponge. I usually use the ones with the scrubby back on them, so just a basic sponge with a Brillo pad on it. And then we're going to use hot water. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on here and stop the tub. Just kind of laid out, and as you see, like, it's kind of dirty right there. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So we're going to fill this tub up a little bit. While it's filling, we're going to do this and just spray the soap on there. I like using the foam soap on this too. I want to get just enough to kind of cover the mouse pads. Just a little bit. You can kind of see that there's water getting on all of it now. So we're going to stop it right there. Now comes the fun part. It's very easy. All you got to do is just scrub it. You just want to be kind of thorough, of course, and just get every inch of the mouse pad here. So I'm going to get this bigger one overall. Since it has the most surface area, that's why I'm trying to get it. As you might even be able to tell, like, even the watercolor has changed. It's just kind of really kind of skeeving me out. So I'm going to actually drain it a little bit. I'm going to let that drain, and then we're going to go ahead and scrub it again. So just take a minute for that to drain. Alright, well, let's drain in. Let's get some more of this scrubbed. So. And I can really just see, like, the color of the dirt and dust and gross skin cells on it just come right off of it. So I'm gonna rinse it and repeat. Usually you want to kind of do this honestly about 3 or 4 times per mouse pad, just to really ensure you get everything off of it. I'm not even going to leave the water over it right now, just because it took so long to drain. As you see, I haven't even gotten to the small mouse pad yet. So I'm just gonna set that off to the side. Just keep scrubbing. And see, now I'm doing this and it doesn't look like it's like dirty water coming off of it anymore. Like, I mean, so we just want to keep doing that basically until you get to that point where it doesn't seem like there's just dirt and skin cells coming off of it. And most people are probably going to be like, well, Craig, why don't you just buy a new mouse pad? Well, to be honest, I got these for free. They came with some keyboards and mice that I bought. And I figured, let's just go ahead and do this, because I've done this before for my own personal mouse pad. I'm gonna do it for these too. Because what if somebody says they want a mouse pad? Well, I have one to give to them now. So now I'm just gonna rinse all the soap off of it. And for now, we'll set that aside. I'll get the other one clean, and we'll find a nice cool place to let them dry. For now, I'll set that one up here. Let's go ahead and wash this guy. So let's spray this one again with some dish spray. Let's see if we can get that cleaned up. And if you see in this one, you see all the gross dirt. You can see just I don't know if it shows on the camera, but it's all just dirt, skin cells, and whatever other nastiness is on this mouse pad. It's probably never been washed like this. And yeah, you guys are probably like, well, Craig, why aren't you using gloves? Well, hindsight's 20/20, isn't it? So turn that back on. Rinse this out. And we'll also rinse the mouse pad. Luckily, this is not that big of a mouse pad, nor does it take up a lot of surface area. Like, it's not that thick either. So this one won't take as long overall. Fold it up for now. I'll sit it outside to dry off. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright, so now we don't want to put these in direct sunlight because it could cause some discoloration and everything. But we do want to set them outside to dry. So we're going to use this chair here for. So doesn't want to stay on that either. There. I'll just do it like that. So this does let water kind of bead through, so we're going to just kind of let that sit there. Set this guy right there. So we have one mouse pad hanging up there, one right there. Outside of direct sunlight, it actually has shade from my house sitting here, so we're going to let these sit out here. Honestly, about 3 or 4 hours should do it, so where it's dry enough and everything, and then you'll have clean mouse pads. So yeah, so we got that set up, and stay tuned and I'll show you the end result. Well, that's about it. I actually let these dry for a little over a day, and as you can see now, like I can't even leave any marks on this mouse pad here. And then this one here, I mean, can't really see the marks anyway before, just because of the design pattern. But it does look, I don't know if it shows up on camera that way, but it does look so much cleaner. This one's a pretty big mouse pad overall, and as a matter of fact, it's even still kind of wet. So I do definitely suggest giving it about a full day to dry. You don't have to do it in direct sunlight because that will damage the mouse pad overall, or at least over time it will. But I do suggest, you know, from time to time, taking these mouse pads that you have and just cleaning them. You never know how much dead skin cells, dirt, dust, whatever else you might have, I don't want to know, might be on the mouse pad. But anyways, my name is Craig. This has been Squappy's Videos. If you did like this, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this, hit the thumbs down button. But as always, just subscribe, hit the bell, join the Squap Squad. That's all I ask. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope I helped you out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other tips or suggestions about cleaning a mouse pad, definitely leave it down in the comments down below. But as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.